Hi, welcome to Tasteful Staging, and I'm Brandi Lee. So today we're going to stick with the coastal theme and we're going to be repurposing all your shells. We're going to be making a fossil vase. First you need to get a gallon. Actually, I think like 2-gallon cans are plastic. You can pick them up from Michael's. You need cement. You need also the glass jars, shells, and sand. So mix your cement, get fast drying cement. You want the cement without all the rocks in it because you want it very smooth. And when you mix it, mix the water in very slowly. That way you have a nice consistency. Then once you have your cement mixed, you want to get your 2 cans out that are plastic, and you want to put at least an inch worth of cement at the bottom of the cans. Once you get done doing that, then you're going to get some rocks and then your seashells, and you're going to place them over the cement in the cans. Then you're going to get some of your sand and put it on top. And once you've got it where you want it, then you need to take that glass jar, put a piece of newspaper in the middle of the jar. And I know that seems a little bit funny, but later on you'll learn why you need to do that. Place the glass jars in the very middle of your cement while it's still wet. That way it stays in place. Then you're going to go ahead and add another layer of cement around the glass jar, and then you do another mix of shells if you want and sand, and then again you repeat the cement. So you fill up the cement all the way to the top of the 2 jars. Then go ahead and take your little white rocks, a little bit of sand, however you want to do it, be as artsy as you want to, and then you go ahead and pull out that newspaper that you had put into the middle of that jar. So the next day when you come back, everything's done, and you're going to crack that plastic can off of your candle holder, vase holder. And then you'll see all of the sand fall out or anything extra, but that's okay. And why this is okay, because it makes it look fossilized. It's gorgeous. Take a look at that great creation that you have created that's one of a kind. And if you want to go a step further, you can even go ahead and paint it and cause little cracks and make it look even more fossilized. So sit back, relax, look at your repurposed shells, and see how beautiful it looks.